Doctor over here. Come on, let's not in.
Welcome to DigiSender. In this video we will explain how to correctly set up and operate this DigiSender product. Included in the pack is a transmitter and receiver. These are clearly marked on the front of the unit and are designed to plug directly into a plug socket using the supplied power adapters. Also included is the remote relay device, or DigiEye. This allows you to use your source remote control from your bedroom. The DigiSender remote control can be used with either the transmitter or receiver. Make sure to remove the tab before operating this remote control. The transmitter is compatible with any make of satellite receiver, VCR, DVD, Freeview or cable receiver. In this example, we are connecting the transmitter to a satellite receiver in the lounge and transmitting the signal to our second TV located in the bedroom. The transmitter is fitted with two digi-connectors. Identify digi-connector 1. It is clearly marked. Note the position of the contrast switch, which we will refer back to later in this video. Ignore the other input connections for the moment. You can connect these at a later stage if required. To connect the transmitter to your satellite receiver, you first need to identify which SCART lead is connected between the satellite receiver and the TV. Unplug this SCART cable. Now connect the digi-connector. And then reconnect the SCART cable back into the digi-connector. On the back of the transmitter are the switch settings for both the audio, video and remote relay channels. They are both set to channel 1 by default. Leave them on this channel. Connect the power supply to the transmitter and then plug it into an available mains socket. Switch on at the mains and the transmitter power light will illuminate red to indicate it's in standby mode. Press and hold the standby button to turn the transmitter on and the power light will turn green. The DigiEye allows you to change the satellite channel from your bedroom. Plug the DigiEye into the IR socket on the back of the transmitter. It is important to make sure the DigiEye faces the front of your satellite receiver and any other equipment you intend to operate from your bedroom. This completes the installation of the transmitter, and we are now ready to install the receiver in our bedroom. The receiver is fitted with RCA phono and SCART outputs, but in this example we will only be connecting using the SCART plug. Locate a vacant SCART socket on the rear of your TV and plug the receiver into this socket. It is important to make sure the receiver is looking towards the user, so that the face of the receiver points towards your bed or where you are likely to operate the satellite remote control from. Connect the power supply to the receiver and plug it into an available mains socket. Switch on at the mains and the receiver power light will illuminate red to indicate it's in standby mode. Press and hold the standby button to turn the receiver on and the power light will turn green. Because the receiver is connected to your bedroom TV via a SCART socket, you must select the relevant SCART input channel using your bedroom TV remote control. The correct button to do this may be called AV, Source or Input, and may require the button to be pressed a number of times before the correct channel is selected. If you have connected the other input sources at the transmitter, then these can be selected on your DigiSender remote control. Make any necessary adjustments to the picture quality on your bedroom TV by changing the position of the contrast switch on the corresponding Digi connector in your lounge. You have now completed the installation of your DigiSender and can enjoy satellite channels on other TVs around your home. This DigiSender system is compatible with additional receivers. If you have other TVs in bedrooms, the kitchen or dining room, then these two can receive the same signal from your existing DigiSender transmitter. To improve picture quality, it may be necessary to move the transmitter or receiver to an adjacent location and away from potential interference sources. Also, make sure that the cables between your source equipment and TV are neat and tidy. Changing the audio-video channel on your DigiSender transmitter and receiver can provide a solution to picture interference. To change the audio-video channel upon which your DigiSender transmits, simply select a new channel on the back of your transmitter and receiver. Make sure that both the transmitter and receiver are set to the same channel and that only one of the audio-video switches is selected. Picture interference can be caused by other wireless signals being transmitted around your home. If this is not solved by changing the audio-video channel on your transmitter and receiver, then take a closer look around your home for the source of the problem. Wireless LAN systems are often the cause of picture interference. Make sure that any unattended computers are switched off. In severe cases, adjustments can often be made to router settings. Some games consoles permanently transmit handset control signals, even when switched off or into standby mode. This particular games console must be switched off at the mains to stop the handset control signals from being transmitted. Problems using your satellite remote control in your bedroom are easily solved. Ensure that the DigiEye is correctly facing the front of your satellite receiver and other equipment. Try relocating the DigiEye to improve reliability and performance. Also ensure that the front of the receiver in your bedroom is correctly facing the person using the satellite remote control. You might find it easier to correctly position your DigiEye with the help of a friend. Have your friend attempt to change the satellite channels in the bedroom while you position the DigiEye in the lounge. This version of DigiSender features 16 digital channels on which your remote relay function can operate. This avoids interference with other remote controls, so if neighbours start changing your satellite channels, then you can select your own remote relay channel here. Make sure to select the same remote relay channel on both the transmitter and receiver.